Good morning. So, in the last period, we have started to discuss about the second chapter of the civics, diversity and discrimination. In this chapter, we have discussed about differences and prejudice. In this, we have seen that how from the differences the prejudice is occurring or prejudice is starting to take place in the society. What we have tried to understand about the prejudice means that to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. When we think that only one particular way is the best and right way to do things, we often end up not respecting others who may prefer to do things differently. And this is called prejudice. For example, if you're speaking English language and you think that English is the best language and the other languages are not good, that means here you are making prejudice. If you belongs to any particular religion or community, and if the another person comes who belongs to another community or religion, you think that whatever the rituals, whatever the things you do is the perfect and good, and others beliefs and the all religious practices are fake or not good. That means it is a kind of prejudice. And therefore, in the meaning of the prejudice, it has been said prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. All these things we have seen in the last period, as well as we have also started to discuss about creating stereotypes. What is stereotype basically? Stereotype means fixing any particular person or community or the people in a particular image, or thinking about those people as they are. uh, so therefore it is called stereotype. So what is stereotype basically? When we fix people into one image, we create a stereotype. What is stereotype? When we fix people into one image, we create stereotype. When people say that those who belong to a particular country, religion, sex, race, or economic background are stingy, lazy, criminal, or dumb, they are using stereotypes. So, what we are doing actually, when we fix people into the particular person or country or religion or people are like that only, the people into one image, and this fixing of a particular people, particular community, particular religious background people, male or female, actually what we are doing here, we are creating stereotype. And normally what we say when we create the stereotype about any country or any religion or people, that these people are stingy or they are lazy or these community people are criminal or dumb, they are using stereotype basically over here. And you know very well, there are stingy and generous people everywhere. It is not like that in a particular community or any particular caste the people are stingy. In every country, in every religion, in every group, whether rich or poor, male or female, everywhere the stingy or lazy or criminal people are there. And just because some people are like that, it is not fair to think that everyone will be the same. And it has also found in the society that if a particular person of any particular community is doing a bad thing, people start to say at the same time community people are like that only. So what they are doing here, actually they are doing stereotype. Why they are doing and you know why they are doing stereotype? Because they think that they are better or their community is better, and therefore we can say this kind of thinking of the people is called as the stereotype. Stereotypes stop us from looking at each person as unique. We When we start thinking in the way of stereotype. At the same time, we stop us from looking at each person as unique or different individual with his or her own special qualities and skills that are different from others. They fit large numbers of people into only one pattern or type. When the people make the stereotype, the people fit large number of people into one category or into one pattern or one type only. For example, if one person in that community is criminal, the people fit large number of people of that community as the criminal only, and they say then, see, these people are criminals only. But is it correct? No, it is not correct. So what is it then? It is a stereotype. Stereotype affect all of us as they prevent us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good at. So stereotype stops us from in the various ways. Stereotypes stop us from thinking or considering any particular person as an individual or unique, or stereotype also affect all of us as they prevent us from doing certain things that might otherwise be good at. So in this way, stereotype is a way of fixing the people into one image. And inequality and discrimination, the another point that we are going to see is the inequality and discrimination. How the discrimination and inequality both comes from the prejudices or stereotypes that we are going to see here. Discrimination happens when the people act on their prejudices or stereotypes. If you do something to put other people down, if you stop them from taking part in certain activities and taking up jobs, or stop them from living in certain neighborhoods, prevent them from taking water from the same well, or not allow them to drink the tea in the same cups or glasses as others, you are discriminating against them. So how do the discriminations are coming out? The discrimination is the we can say is the outcome of whatever the prejudices and stereotypes that people are acting upon. Means it is the outcome. The inequality or the discrimination is the outcome of the prejudices and stereotype. If, for example, you do something to put other people down, if you stop them from taking part in certain kind of activities, for example, if you are celebrating any festival, and in that festival you are not allowing that particular community or person to get involved, that means what you are doing over here, you are discriminating that person. For example, if a person belongs to high caste and another person belongs to lower caste, the high class or high caste community people will not involve the lower caste people into their religious activities. So in this way, why this all the discriminations are occurring? It is because of your prejudices or stereotypes. As well as this discrimination also prevents the people to do various things. For example, some people will not let the another community people to live in their neighborhood, or sometimes if the person belongs to very low caste, they were not at the nowadays the things are changed, but initially the people were not let the people to drink the water from the same water pump or hand pump, or not allow them to drink tea in the same cups. This for the better understanding of this example, you can see the TV serial that is coming on the and TV, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. In this serial, you will notice such kind of incidences that were happening with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in his childhood. So, with the help of this TV series, you can understand all these discriminations or all these kind of the prejudices and stereotype in that serial. See, the discrimination can take place because of several reasons. There are several reasons that how the discrimination take place. If you can recall the story that we have learned in the chapter number 1, the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do, you know very well that they were completely different from each other, and they were looking differently, they were speaking the different languages, they were belonging to different economic backgrounds. So there are different things or different various differences between them, Samir Ek and Samir Do. So for example, one example is given here. They belong to different religions. Samir Ek and Samir Do, they both were belonging to the Hindu and Muslim religion. This is an aspect, this religious background is an aspect of diversity. However, this diversity can also be source of discrimination. We always say that the diversity is a kind of treasure of our country, and therefore in the morning when we go to school, in the morning we do the pledge, and in that pledge we say the varied diversity, or we say always say that we will respect the diversity of our country. So why do we say like that? So that we will feel the importance of the diversity. However, this diversity can also be the source of discrimination. But here it is said that in place of respecting that diversity, what the people start to do? The people start to discriminate the people on the basis of this diversity. Groups of people who may speak in a certain language also, follow a particular religion also, living in a specific region, etc. With the help of this religion, language, or specific region, living in specific region, these can also be the source of discrimination, may be discriminated against as their customs or practices may be seen as inferior. Yes, even whatever the cultures or customs or practices they are following, or the different people are following, considering their customs and practices inferior is also the way of discriminating. For example, if some person is praying as his religion is asking him to do, and another person is doing the prayer in a different way. So in this way, if a person is considering his thinking or his prayer or his practice inferior, or customs inferior, so it is also a kind of discrimination. Another difference between two Samirs was in their economic background. Samir Do was poor, and this difference, as you have read earlier, is not a form of diversity but of inequality. People who are poor do not have the source or the money. So see, the being rich or poor is not the aspect of the diversity. Being rich or poor is not the aspect of diversity, but it can be the kind of a form of it can be the form of inequality. Means from the rich and poor background, the people are treating unequally in the society. If the people are rich, the rich people are most respected in the society, and the poor people are not respected, they are always irrespected. And in this way, people who are poor do not have the resource or the money to meet their basic needs of food, clothing, and shelter. They experience discrimination in the offices, in hospitals, schools, etc., where they are treated badly because they are poor. So, in the offices, in the hospital, schools, at various places, the poor people are treated in a very bad manner. So, about the remaining part, the last point we will take, and then I will stop the class for the next point. So some people may experience both kind of discrimination. They are poor and they belong to groups who culture in not valued tribals. Some religious groups and even particular region are discriminated against for one or more of these reasons. In the following section, you will look at how a famous Indian was discriminated against. This will help us to understand the ways in which caste was used to discriminate against large number of people. So here it is said that some people may experience both kind of discrimination, poor, and they belong to group whose culture is not valued. So sometimes the people are treated badly or discriminately by two ways, like the background they belong, whatever the social background they belong, or if they are poor. So they are discriminated on the basis of their both the background, poor background as well as the different community background. For example, tribal people of our country, the tribals or some religions group, even particular region, are discriminated against for one or more of these reasons. About this, we are going to see in the next section of our chapter number 2, diversity and discrimination. And this next point is on being discriminated against. This point we will complete in the next period. Till then, thank you very much.